What's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Riverview. We're doing driveway cleaning for a returning customer. I did his pool cage before. He has a decent sized driveway, wants to get done. That's pretty dirty. We're gonna use our Mondo today, which has been modified. I got it done at Ameritech. I changed the 3/8" hoses to 1/2" hoses, and also changed the wheels on it. And I also bypassed the gun, so now it runs straight through with a ball valve where I don't have to squeeze the trigger. Having all that stuff on there, like the gun and the 3/8 hoses, causes restriction and less water flow. So therefore, with the upgraded version, you're gonna get more water flow, and you know, everything's gonna work out better. We also changed the swivels on it as well, so everything is spinning how it's supposed to be. I've had this Mondo since about 1.5 years now, about 1.5 years, and I hadn't changed the swivels or done anything on it. I mean, the wheels were all torn up, and that's why the Mondo was also leaving lines. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I did to it, and also the driveway. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for new content. Let's check it out. All right, so this is the Mondo. We'll start down here. Like I said, I upgraded these hoses here all the way to the top. This is 1/2" hose. I put 2 new swivels on it. I got new wheels on it, so it spins really good now. I can roll it around without having to, you know, lift it up as much. I bypassed the gun, so there's no gun no more here. No trigger gun. This is what it was. We just hook up with the ball valve here, and then turn it on and off with the ball valve. I used it already, man. I mean, this thing rips now. The flow is crazy. So we're gonna use it on this driveway here. You guys can see this driveway is pretty bad. I am gonna pre-treat this thing because it's so bad. I'm still gonna have lines on it even with the pre-treatment, but then we're gonna post-treat, which is applying the mix after to get all the lines and any tinted stains off the concrete. This thing is dirt deep. Let me show you guys the walkway. This is the walkway here. The walkway is dirty as well. A lot of algae, slippery. I can tell this gets slippery when it gets wet. So it's also a hazard. And we'll clean up to the front door area, which is right here. Let me go ahead and move this mat. So we're gonna downstream our sodium hypochlorite, which is chlorine, with some water, and then let it sit for a few minutes before we start surface cleaning. And we'll show you guys how that Mondo works. gonna go ahead and do this Mondo straight into there. Come over here where you guys can see. I don't want to start over there because you won't be able to see. All you gotta do is turn the ball valve on. Look at that. One pass. So just got done cleaning just this section here. I do have lines. I'm not going twice over. Some areas are more dirty than others. I'm just gonna pull straight this right here, and then it'll be all gone. I'm not even worrying about these lines. I could just go over it again with the surface cleaner and it'll go away. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll just do it now. The water flow is pretty bad over here, so I'm trying to conserve water. So I don't want to go over things twice. All those lines are pretty much gone, but I'm gonna just post treat this right here, and all of it will go away. I'm not gonna be doing this the whole time. Let's keep on working. just got done rinsing. We're gonna add our hose treatment on here. I don't have to rinse this off. Just apply it, let it dry. It'll take away any lines, anything that I have on the concrete, or any stains that's left over. It's not gonna kill the edge of the grass. I've already surface cleaned and rinsed, so the grass is saturated on the edges. So I'm just gonna apply this all over. And all the lines will be gone before I even leave. I'm putting down a 6% mix of sodium hypochlorite, the same mix that I used earlier, but at a stronger ratio. Can't really pre-treat, post-treat with a 1 or 2%. It's not gonna be as effective. I normally do a 5 or a 6. I'm using my 12-volt system to post-treat because the downstream injector that I pre-treated with, it's not gonna be able to put out a strong mix like a 3, 4, 5%, 6% mix. It's a dedicated soft wash system for roofs, so I can adjust the mixes, hot mixes. All right, y'all, we all wrapped up. As you can see here, like I said, won't be no lines left behind. Super clean concrete, night and day difference. No need to rinse it. Not sure when last time this was clean. I asked the customer and see. This area here was shaded, gets pretty dark. And all the droppings from the trees. Did the fence for him, and he did that fence for him too. And then that side of the carport as a throw-in. That's the lookout. Look at that. Check out the walkway. The walkway was dark. Yes, sir. That Mondo works really good with the upgrades. I mean, you can't beat that at all. My boy 4K told me I should have done it a long time ago, but it's done now, and I see what he meant. All right, I'm gonna wrap up, y'all. All right, done for the day, man. It's hot already. So I just want to show y'all the Mondo. I really like it. Works way more efficient. I mean, the thing spins like crazy. I mean, I know I changed the swivels, that's gonna help, but the bypassing the gun and upgrading the hoses to half inch makes a major difference. So if you got one, I suggest you do the same thing, man, because it works 5 times better, man. I love it. So I'm gonna continue using it for you guys and showing you on the next driveway I do. So y'all enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.